going to show you guys exactly how to do it. This actually works, guys. It's super crazy. So keep watching the video and I'm going to show you guys. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get Pokemon Unite hack for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm broke, but in the mod menu we can turn on free gems and free coins. So I just turned it on. So let's see if it goes up. So as you can see, guys, these are the current values. Really bad, but hopefully it does start increasing. So let's see what happens to our game. And as you can see, guys, it's not working, but it might start working. So let's see. And yes, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android. So if you guys play this game, you gotta try this. It's so cool. So let's get into the video. So the first thing is to go to tweakmod.com and go up here to the top, and on the search bar, just type Pokemon Unite, and go ahead and find it. It should be in here somewhere. Press install. Now before it downloads, it's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just have to download 2 apps and follow the instructions. 100% for free from official app store. So let's just give it a second for this to go ahead and load here, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long, so we're just going to give it a second to load up. So yeah, as you can see, it is loading right now. So you just gotta let it load, and it should be pretty easy. So yeah, super cool, guys. So as you can see, now it's taking us to the next step, which is the verification. You just have to download 2 of these apps, like Family Island, Lucky Match. This one you gotta reach level 11. And then there's like Family Island Underdog. You gotta down and run for 30 seconds. So that's pretty easy. So just do 2 of them, guys. I'll see you later. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel. So super cool, fully updated and everything. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and peace out, brothers.